guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from Popexo Fashion.
Hi guys! So we're back with another Talk Till You Drop fashion challenge, and I want to say this challenge is fun, but by looking at the delicious, not so delicious items in front of us, I am a little scared.
So we'll be given 5 broad fashion categories and we'll have to actually tell the names that fit into each category after we are done tapping.
So the rules are fairly simple. We've got 5 types of masalas and the hero of the challenge is this wasabi. So every time we get a statement wrong, we have to mix wasabi with first kala namak, then ajwain, then bhuna jeera, then garam masala, and the final stage is lal mirch.
Should we begin?
Let's begin.
Traumatizing our bellies.
Silk,
Cotton,
Georgette,
Chiffon,
Chiffon,
Denim,
satin,
woolen,
brocade,
satin,
Pashmina,
cotton,
polyester,
cashmere,
silk,
viscose,
silk,
viscose,
wool. Oh shit! Oh! Wait, cashmere is a kind of wool only.
No, it's not. It's a different type of. So now you have to eat this, and I'm going to watch you.
I tend to go blank very easily, but okay, I
That's
don't
right.
mind.
She
this
never
one.
goes blank, okay?
No, I do. But like, I don't mind this because I really like salt and salt.
Right.
So I'm fine.
Eat a big heap of it.
Okay, you lost. Okay, have it, please.
cotton बोला था किसने?
हो चुका है.
एक और भी तो आता है.
Okay. Okay.
Really hard. Do it. Do
For
it.
loose
Do it.
motion, yeah.
Won't be that bad.
Oh God, it's bad.
Wow. It's a nice expression. It's so bad. Oh my God!
ये बहुत ज़्यादा है by the way.
No, ये कम है. काफी इसमें वो
कुछ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. Please. Okay.
How was
tasty
it?
था कोई.
है ना?
Flares.
Boot cut.
Boot cut.
Boyfriend,
Boot cut,
Straight.
Mom jeans.
Dark wash.
High-waisted.
ribbed,
cigarette,
Boyfriend.
Dad jeans.
Acid wash.
No, that's not a category. That's a wash.
So, but it's still like.
No, right? You got that wrong. That's definitely not a category. I got this too.
Capri.
girlfriend jeans.
No,
girlfriend.
It was up.
That was something. Okay.
In your face.
Okay.
jegging,
Waist cut. मैंने boot cut बोला था शायद.
somebody's on a roll.
On the losing end, yeah.
Well, I thought the salt one won't be so bad, but like,
I think you should increase a little bit of wasabi that you're putting on the spoon.
I still need to come to work, you know? Just saying. So weird.
खाना उसको मस्त पराठा. wasabi paratha. Oh my God, she's got tears in her eyes. मतलब glitter निकल जाएगा. Baby, don't do this to yourself.
चबा किस चीज को रहा है?
तो चबाना ही था ये, तो कैसे खाऊं इसको?
मतलब इसको क्या ही चबाएगा? इसको सीधा निकल जा.
Fur.
Pea coat.
Ski jacket.
Parka jacket,
Leather jacket.
Bomber jacket,
Woolen.
Leather.
Formal jacket.
fur jacket,
Parker jacket.
quilted jacket,
Tweed.
Denim.
Oh God. I actually knew this. I don't know why I stopped. I was going to say something else. My turn. Finally! Hooded jacket.
what?
Hooded.
Double breasted jacket.
बकवास मत कर.
होती है, क्यों नहीं होती? जो ऐसे जाके बटन होता है, क्यों होती है? Hello?
Racer jacket.
knitted jacket,
यार knitted jacket तो होता नहीं कुछ.
क्यों होती है? knitted sweater होते हैं, वैसे जैकेट बना ली.
Sweater होती है ना knitted.
स्वेटर भी तो बनता है ना knit होके, ऐसे जैकेट बना ली.
Yes, you're having bhuna hua jeera powder.
Oh, lovely. I always have jeera.
Ek chutki. Oh my god. You sure you want to have that much?
I live dangerously, man.
Really?
It's actually not that bad.
Are you ready for the jeera, roasted jeera that you got from your house?
Yeah. ये तो मैं दही के लिए लाई थी इन्होंने यहाँ यूज कर लिया यार
मेरे को दही की याद आ रही है. जो ना ठंडी ठंडी छाछ नहीं होती गर्मी में, उसकी फील आ रही है मुझे इसमें. But you eaten it? I don't even see you eating it.
so bad I can't
So how's the taste? Must be nice.
Okay. Whew. Okay. Cowl.
Pussy bow.
Cowl,
Crew neck.
V-neck.
Turtle.
V-neck.
square
V,
Off shoulder.
Plunging. Neck.
I should know this. Oh no. Okay, I lose.
deep like जो होती है halter और deep भी होता है
also. Oh fuck! I know. I just got lost in a hole. That was it.
That was
No, but I
my
can,
trick.
sweetheart.
you can't
But why?
you have lost it
One shoulder.
होता है one shoulder कुछ? 2 shoulder.
Please consume. I have got another point, guys.
यार ये क्या है? अगर one shoulder होता है तो 2 obvious नहीं होना चाहिए.
Obviously, तो two shoulder को कुछ बोलोगे क्यों? Then it's a normal thing. 2 shoulder के लिए अलग-अलग. So let's not waste time here. Okay.
बस एक बूंद. Oh God, this is actually a bit scary.
I'm really scared for lal mirch, you know.
When you look the whole thing, wasn't that bad. So we're 2 all right now.
this looks like सूखा हुआ गोबर बाहर क्यों फूक I did the same with jeera
होता क्या है गरम मसाला?
अरे वो डालते हैं ना फिनिशिंग टच पे सब्जी में पुलाव में सब में को भी आंसू आ रहे हैं। Stop.
The score is 2-2. I've caught up to him like an underdog.
ये hello.
Girmahat. Yummy है.
अजीब सा.
It's a tiebreaker.
Yeah. Oh
And
God,
it's the
I'm really nervous. Wayfarer.
aviators.
Oval.
Round,
Wayfarer.
John Lennon.
Cat fame.
Oval.
Rectangle.
square,
Aviator.
Rectangle.
John Lennon.
Square.
Aviators.
cat eye,
Square.
Oversized.
Rectangle.
Oversized.
Wayfarers.
pilot,
Cat-eyed.
Brow line.
Retro.
Cat eye.
I'm very happy right now.
Why does it clip-ons, man?
I have won this challenge.
Clip on, clip on.
heart shape,
There's no heart shape, hello.
hexagon shape,
What
oval
you
shape,
give there, bro? You
round
lost.
shape.
Okay, this thing, frameless.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and you lose.
मुझे भी नहीं पता था इसके बाद.
Oh god.
Just think of it as like toothpaste. Hello, beta.
It's stuck to my mouth.
तेरा मुंह होगा वो. आंखों में आंसू आ रहे हैं.
So, how do you feel, Surya? Come on, let's talk. Let's talk, buddy. Tell me about the challenge. So, how was the challenge? How do you feel? So, do you remember any of those categories now?
Absolutely.
So I won the challenge and I'm very happy. But if you were better than me at this challenge, then let us know in the comment section below.
And for more such challenges and cool fun videos, subscribe to Pop Extra Fashion.
Also, if you haven't checked out the Pop Extra shop, the link is in the description below. We've got cool mugs, hoodies, and now we have planners also. So go check it out. Happy shopping.
Bye.